Hey guys, do you like the game Plants vs. Zombies 2? Well, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a modded version of Plants vs. Zombies 2, which gives you unlimited stuff. So as you can see, I'm broke, but when I press this button, it brings up a mod menu. I can get unlimited gems. So I'm going to turn this up all the way. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So as you can see, this is the amount of resources I have in my account. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to max out here. As you can see, so here we go, guys. Let's check it out. Let's see if it goes up. And I'm going to show you guys how to do this. So as you can see, there they go. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get straight into the video. So it's super cool, guys. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go to the browser. And all we have to do is go to this website, which is matrixmods.com. So once you're on this site, guys, you want to find Plants vs. Zombies 2. Go ahead and press on it, press download. And before this download finishes, there's going to be a verification where we have to download 2 apps. Follow instructions. You know, it's 100% free from official app store. And then we should have the Plants vs. Zombies 2 modded version on our device. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it. So let's just wait for this to load. So as you can see, guys, it says almost there, additional files are required. So this is where we got to download 2 of these apps. So we got Travel Town, which says install and reach level 9. So this one's a game. So I just press continue, go to the app store, and you got to play it to level 9. So just make sure you do some of these. It should be all set, but it's pretty easy, guys. So as long as you download 2 of these apps, you should get the Plants vs. Zombies 2 modded version. You can press help, watch this video here, but yeah, it's super crazy. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos about how to get unlimited currency on Plants vs. Zombies 2, because as you can see, I'm pretty loaded. So yeah, this is super amazing, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Peace out.